Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first.
What's up, Swords of Blood community? In this video I will guide you step by step how to buy Monster Pass and send it to your in-game's wallet. This is the first step. Go to www.apechin.com. Make sure you have APE-coin on your MetaMask wallet. And make sure you are in the APE-chin network. I also put the APE-chin network on my description. Second step, put the APE-USD token address on the MetaMask wallet. Next step, go to Bridge and then Swap. Here we need to swap from APE-coin to APE-USD. Next step, go to the game itself, then go to Guts. There in Guts you need to copy the in-game sequence address. Here you need to paste and then send to your in-game wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Can I ask for a favor? Can you give me a thumbs up? Consider subscribing to my channel too. Also hit the notification bell so you can always be updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
To change your